there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Dagny. I'm a New York City-based Argentine tango dancer, teacher, and performer. And in today's video, I thought I'd do something fun and just make a compilation of some little habits that I've built up over the years of being a dancer. Let me know below if you do any of these fun little quirks, and let me know what you think of them. Let's go. I stretch my arms overhead and point my toes first thing. I have to get them moving and get the blood circulating. I absolutely hate walking on cold, hard floor, and I always like my feet to be cushioned and warm. Whenever I'm brushing my teeth, I make sure to use my calf stretcher. This helps me get a stretch first thing in the morning, and also at night, of course. This is especially nice after dancing. My day truly starts after I crack my hips. This is the first motion I need to do in order to get my body moving. I mean, besides cracking my feet, of course. Every household object becomes a bar, especially during the pandemic. I walk like an absolute grandma down the stairs. I always go super slowly and super carefully. I cannot slip and twist my ankle. And forget about walking over these metal grates on the floor of New York City. These I always try to avoid or be very careful with. I am constantly reminding myself to have good posture, which is a good thing. And now, I don't buy clothing unless it passes the sidestep test, which means that I can dance in it. If it's comfortable to take a large sidestep, that means it could stay in my closet. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more content so you don't miss out on my future videos. See you next time. Bye.